Ready? One, two.
Oh.
It's
It's definitely a video. Yeah.
Yeah, we just washed our laundry in the sink. And now to dry. Talking to some people from the Netherlands, and they were saying how the area we're in now was US occupied area during World War II. So it's a kind of weird feeling to be here right now. Danke. Are you ready to swim, Dr. Frankum?
I'm ready to swim.
That was the worst thing I've ever seen.
Bumps are coming, shite. Oh god. So life update. I just ran into one of those poles at full fucking speed. Yeah, I'm gonna be really careful right now. Yeah, one of those. Yeah, full speed. Toe into it. But I'm fine. Everything's fine. My bike's making weird noise. Everything's fine.